The thing that you have to really focus on, and this might be why my wife has a little bit of reservation on it, there's uncontrollable things that go on. So if you're going into a property and maybe you underwrite it a little bit incorrectly, and it doesn't pan out the way you want it to, slightly, not crazy, you can correct that and make up for it, because like, I'm not selling this house for 7 years, so like, it doesn't really matter. Like, I'm not doing anything with it. We're just going to rent it. I know what it cash flows. I didn't mess that up. And so like, if you just hold it, it will make up for your mistake a lot of times.